guys, I'm here at the Nova again. Just wanted to do a quick update on my interior here. I'm going to be getting a new dash pad soon. Along with that, I'm also going to be getting rid of my speedometer. I'm going to make a panel and we're going to put some gauges in there. I have a new speedometer that actually runs off of GPS we're going to wire in. And then I'm probably just going to move these 3 gauges up there and then add a fuel gauge, obviously. I'll probably keep the tack where it's at. Seats are all going to stay the same. I do got new seat belts, but nothing major there. And may or may not put a radio in yet. I'm not sure yet on that. Might wait and just do that later on, but we'll see. But I just figured I'd do a quick update here, and once I get the new gauges in and stuff, I'll do another update here. Alright guys, just a quick update here. Got the dash ripped out, got all the gauges ripped out. Wiring wasn't terrible. I see a few things he tacked into the previous owner, but not bad. I just got my new dash pad yesterday, so I'm be getting ready to put that in. And then I got to mock up the new template for the new gauges. And we'll be putting that back in soon. I did end up buying a radio and a speaker I'm going to put in while I got this all taken apart. And then eventually I'm probably going to run speakers to the back, but we'll get to work here. Alright guys, I finally got the car outside here. And I got the interior all wrapped up. Got a new steering wheel. Something different, I don't know. Thought it was pretty cool. And the new gauges. Made that panel. I think it came out pretty nice. New dash pad. I did decide put a radio in it, put a speaker under the dash. There you go, I just filled the gas tank up. Turn signals, I ran these little LED lights. And I did put one in here for the high beam. But overall, I like it. Let me know what you guys think. I do still gotta get a little thing for the dash there. I had one, but it was a little rough looking, so I'm just gonna wait till I get a new one. And the speedometer actually runs off of a GPS speed control, which it worked pretty good on the way home. But yeah, overall, let me know what you guys think, and thank you guys for watching. More updates coming soon.